Buongiorno and welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen. Today we're making a delicious, easy, seasonal dessert. Peaches stuffed with Amaretto Cookies. Here is a package of Amaretto Cookies from Italy. You can find them all over the United States in specialty stores, supermarkets. Amaretto is made of almond. So they're almond cookies with egg whites. Very light and very crunchy. This is what they look like inside the package. These darling little round, very, very light almond and egg white cookies. This, of course, is Amaretto di Saronno. This is almond liqueur, and we're going to put this over our peaches. So, 3 steps for a dessert everyone will love. I have my peaches halved, and then I like to take a spoon and just dig a little bit more out of the center so there's more place to put the ground cookie. I take my Amaretto cookies and I grind them in a mortar and pestle. If you prefer, you can do this in a food processor. I like to do it the old-fashioned way, but it goes very quickly if you do it in the food processor. So just grind them up. They don't have to be, pulverized and really, really fine. I like them a little crunchy. And then what we're going to do is fill the peaches with the delicious Amaretto cookies that we've chopped up or put in the food processor. So I think we're going to need a few more cookies to grind. I learned this dessert when I lived in Tuscany, and it's a very typical dessert on the Tuscan coast, especially in the town I lived in called Forte dei Marmi in the summer. It's very typical with the fresh peaches and Amaretto cookies. Literally takes 20 minutes to make. So it's a very simple, fresh, seasonal, delicious dessert. So we put these cookies right in the peaches. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to pour, I just like to drizzle the Amaretto di Saronno right over the peaches. Not too much, just a little bit of the liqueur. So I just go like this. Then we're going to bake these at 350 for about 20 minutes. The peaches are going to get even sweeter and caramelized from the Amaretto liqueur. They melt in your mouth. You can serve them plain or with a little scoop of fresh whipped cream. Okay, off to the oven they go.